Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video, we're taking a look at this article that talks about how to mine Bitcoin at home. So for this video, we're not going to be really reading over this whole article as a whole. They lay out the steps on how to mine Bitcoin, so we're just going to be going over them, and I'm going to be showing you the two best pools if you are new to mining or just currently are mining that you can use to go ahead and mine Bitcoin. So you'll be mining different algorithms, but it will be converting over to Bitcoin. It just makes it simple because you just run the software and it just picks the best algorithm for you, and you just go ahead and mining and you get automatically paid in Bitcoin. So we'll be going over the steps and I'll be showing you guys like how to go about it. If you are interested, like I said, in mining these and being paid out in strictly Bitcoin, this is the go-to route. So we'll be going over all that. So let's get started with the video. So the main section we're going to look at here is how to mine Bitcoin on a PC. So this is going to be for CPU, GPU, but for GPUs, you'll need at least 3 gigabytes or more for your graphics card. There are 2 gigabyte algorithms, but that takes a little more in-depth of a tutorial and different software and things of the sort to actually get mining to be paid out in Bitcoin with a 2 gigabyte graphics card. So right now, to make it easy, it's 3 gigabytes and up. And for a CPU, you can go ahead and use like even an older one, newer end ones, whichever you have. Usually with the unminable pool, that will allow you to go ahead and use older technology to go ahead and mine with if you do prefer. But let's just get started here. So how to mine Bitcoin on a PC? One will need to follow these steps. So get a Bitcoin wallet. You will need a place to store the Bitcoin that they mine so that you'll get a Bitcoin wallet. There are several options available, such as software wallets, which a user can download to their computer, or a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that they can use to store their BTC, Bitcoin or BTC offline. So the first step here is to get a wallet. So this really depends on the pool that you are going to use. So if you're using Nicehash, you don't have to worry about getting a separate wallet because this will automatically store your Bitcoin on Nicehash for you on a Nicehash wallet. So it'll just build itself all in one, so that way you can go ahead and just use it without needing an actual Bitcoin wallet. But if you choose to use unminable, which is another option I'll be showing in this video, you will need your own wallet for Bitcoin or whatever coin you are choosing to be paid out in. But since we're focusing on Bitcoin, you will need a Bitcoin wallet. And what I recommend doing myself, instead of downloading like the Bitcoin wallet on your computer, is go on your cell phone if you have one, or just like a burner phone if you have one kicking around or something, and you want to download the app Trust Wallet. It's on iOS and Android, so no matter which phone you have, this should work. You just go on the App Store and you search for Trust Wallet, and you just go ahead and set up your wallet, and this will give you options for all of your coins, like your main coins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and then there's also other coins like tokens and things of the sort. So there's smaller ones, bigger ones. You can add your own tokens if you have like the address and things of the sort. I've been using Trust Wallet for a few years and haven't had any issues with them, and I haven't had like my funds taken, nothing of the sort. It's your own self-hosted wallet, even though it is an app, but it is your own self-hosted wallet. You would take your Bitcoin address from Trust Wallet and go ahead and just send it to yourself on your computer or your mining software, so that way you can go ahead and just type it in and have it ready. Those are just my two options if you are going ahead and choosing between Nicehash and unminable. Nicehash, you don't need a wallet technically because Nicehash has its own wallet, and unminable, use Trust Wallet or something of the sort. And that'll be your first step, is just to get a wallet set up. So for the next step here is download mining software. Users will also need to download mining software that is compatible with their computer's operating system. And since I'm using Windows here, we'll just stick with using like a Windows tutorial Windows software. So on Nicehash here, you're going to come over to this link. I'll post in the description below. It's nicehash.com/cpu-gpu-mining. And it's going to bring you to their mining software. So if you want a nice, simple, easy process that's going to do everything automated for you, Nicehash Quick Miner is your go-to. So you can click try mining and then you can go ahead and download the software. I'm not going to go too in depth with actually showing the software. I have other videos on my channel if you want to check them out that go more in depth with Nicehash and unminable and just mining tutorials of the sort. Or you can go ahead and use Nicehash Miner here, and this is going to allow you to have a little more freedom. So as you see in the picture here, once you do have it downloaded, you will start it up your login to your Nicehash account. and then you're going to have your dashboard, and then it's going to be a big like green button here. You can simply click that and it will benchmark. It will go through all the algorithms and give you the best profitability. And this way you can go ahead and actually select algorithms and choose which ones you want off and on, and if you want profit switching on or off. Where Nicehash Quick Miner, you don't have that freedom of choice. And this gives you more access, as in like it gives you like software to use for mining and things of the sort. You can see your devices list, all the plugins, all the miners. You can go ahead and edit your profile and things of the sort. It's a kind of a more in-depth. It's still like an easy one-click miner, but it's a little more in-depth compared to the quick miner, where you don't even really have to click too much to begin with. You can go ahead and click start mining or try mining on whichever one, and it'll probably bring you to the sign up page. But if it doesn't, you just click up in the right hand corner here, click get started or click log in, whichever one, and then you sign up for a Nicehash account. And that's going to be the software of choice for Nicehash is these two here. You can go ahead and use a whole third-party miner, but I'm not going to get that in depth. This is just a quick and easy tutorial. And yes, you can use CPU or GPU. On your devices list, it will allow you to turn off or on the CPU, GPU, or whichever you choose to mine with. So if you want to use on Mineable, you can come over to the website here, and you're going to click the Start tab up in the corner. And as you see, you're going to have a list of different algorithms and things of the sort. So if you are wanting to use a third-party miner with this website, you can go ahead and do so. So if I click like Zelhash, on the right-hand side, it's going to give you the list of different miners it's compatible with. And then you can click on that, and it'll show you how to set that up and everything. Like I said, I'm not getting too in-depth with the actual showing of the software and things of the sort. So you can go ahead and just do that. Or like I'm going to mention, just like I did with Nicehash, they do have their easy, simple mining app here. So all you do is click get started at the top here, and it's going to bring you to this page here. And the unmineable all-in-one software is pretty well the same way, except for the fact you will need your own wallet. So this is where a trust wallet comes into play. All you're going to do is download the Nicehash, or sorry, the unmineable all-in-one miner if you choose to. You can come over here and right-click and click Save Link As, and it should download it. And then you're going to run it, and it should bring up at the first page, I believe, is just to choose your coin. And then whatever coin you do, you put the corresponding wallet. So let's say you're going to choose Litecoin. You'd go on Trust Wallet, find Litecoin, take the address, and put it into the all-in-one miner here. And then you click Next, and it's very simple, and it's just going to run you through the steps. So it's going to like pick your wallet, your coin, and it's going to say select what hardware you want to use, like your GPU or CPU. And it's going to bring you to this page, and all you do is click Start. And it's going to start mining for you, and then you will see your balance and everything just like in the picture here, and it's going to have your minimum payouts and everything. But if you are wanting to use a third-party software, like I said, you just go here, and then you can choose what coin you want. So for example, for doing Bitcoin, you would go over here, and then you would select your algorithm at the top here. So if you have a 3 GB or higher card, these algorithms will work. If you have 6 GB or higher, these algorithms will work. So, and then of course CPU. So if you're wanting to mine CPU, you can mine Monero, and this is the same way on Nicehash. It's Monero, and they also have, I forget what the other one is, but I've made a video on it, and you can go check it out. I forget which coin it is. I'm just drawing a blank, but they have 2 CPU algorithms on Nicehash, and on here on Unmineable they just have the one. And you can use their all-in-one mining software for the CPU as well, or you can use XMRig for the third-party software. And all you do is click on it here, and it's going to run you through the steps on how to set up your command file and where to download it and just how to get started. So if you are interested in running a third-party software, like for mining, so just your own separate miner, you can go ahead and just follow these steps and you're good to go. Or if you want to keep it simple and organized, you can just use the all-in-one miner by clicking get started. So those are 2 options that I recommend using for Bitcoin mining because it's easy to convert to. And then of course join a mining pool, and these are the 2 pools that you are going to use. So Nicehash is obviously built into its own, so you don't have to worry about adding like a stratum or URL or anything of the sort unless you're using a third-party software. In that case, I believe you come to mining here and you click stratum generator, and then you're going to select your algorithm and everything if you're more specific and more in-depth in mining. But if you come over here on Mineable, it is its own pool as well. As you see, there's the URL there, and there's your ports, and you can manually set a server per your location, and every algorithm has different locations sometimes. So it just really depends. Like I said, these are both pools. We've kind of just been over this because mining software is the pool itself, so I'm not going to go much further with that one. and configure your mining software for both websites or pools. If you are using their all-in-one miner, there's nothing to worry about. It's all set up for you. You just click the go mining button. You just click the mining button, click the play button, and you'll be good to go with these mining softwares. Unminable, pretty much the same route there too. And then, like I said, start mining. So once you have it all set up and you're ready to go, you just simply click start mining. And like I said, you click the green button for Nicehash, and here it'll automatically start. You just click the start button once you have the software up and running. It's as simple as that. I know I didn't go too in depth with it, but I have other videos on my channel that go a little more in depth with Nicehash and unminable specifically. If I was going in depth with both of these, it would kind of be a very long video, and I really don't want to bore you guys with that and just drag on a long video when it's not really needed, when I already have other videos on my channel that are still up to date and everything, so you can go ahead and check them out. This was just a quick summary if you're wanting to get started, and there's some easy software out there, and there's some pools out there that are simple to use. You don't need to be a high-end tech, no technology on a high-end extent to get mining Bitcoin, and you don't need a top-end technology. Like I said, if you have 3 GB cards for GPUs, which I have myself, if you checked out my other videos, you'll see my 1060 rig. I have two 1060s and a 1650, so only two 3 GB and a 4 GB card, and I still mine and I still make videos and update you guys. It's not the most high-end technology for mining and things of the sort, but still gets the job done and lets me dip my toes in and just be a part of that mining community. And it's the same with CPU. If you are mining even with an old laptop, an old desktop, unminable will allow you to do that. Just for some reason, it seems unminable is better with the older technology. Nicehash, sometimes you need a certain level of equipment when it comes to CPUs and things. So if you have lower end equipment, unminable is your go-to for CPU mining. But yeah, I just wanted to go over this. I don't want to be rambling on too long. I just wanted to quickly touch on this to give you guys a refresher, or if you are new to the mining community, this will hopefully help you, give you some ideas, give you some websites to look at, to give a little more in depth and get your first step into the mining world, really. But yeah, that's all I really got for you guys today. If you did enjoy this tutorial or this video, make sure that like and subscribe button, that lets me know you guys are enjoying this content and just my channel in general. But yeah, that's all I really got. I hope you all have an amazing day, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.